Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the best products in the market.
Today, we have something deliciously exciting to discuss.
Amazon Fresh Mediterranean Blend Extra Virgin Olive Oil.
If you're a cooking enthusiast like me, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive right in and explore why Amazon Fresh Mediterranean Blend Extra Virgin Olive Oil is making waves in the world of culinary delights. First off, let's look at the product details. This olive oil comes in a generous 67.63 fluid ounce bottle, ensuring you have plenty of this liquid gold for all your cooking adventures. It's labeled as Amazon's Choice in olive oils, and it's also a part of the Climate Pledge Friendly program. One of the remarkable aspects of this olive oil is its versatility. It's a blend of olives from Greece, Italy, and Spain, offering a harmonious flavor profile that's perfect for a wide range of culinary applications. You can use this Mediterranean blend olive oil for cooking and grilling, elevating the flavors of your dishes. It's a fantastic foundation for dressings, sauces, pesto, and hummus, giving your creations that authentic Mediterranean touch. And don't forget about the classic drizzle. Whether it's over a salad, grilled vegetables, or even popcorn, this olive oil adds that extra layer of taste and goodness. Looking at the product dimensions, it comes in a convenient 4.25 by 4.25 x 11-inch bottle, making it easy to handle and store in your kitchen. Now, let's talk about quality. Amazon Fresh Mediterranean Blend Extra Virgin Olive Oil has garnered an impressive 4.7-star rating with over 15,000 reviews. Customers love its quality, freshness, and value. However, it's essential to mention that opinions are somewhat mixed when it comes to the smell of the oil, so keep that in mind. Now, in terms of sustainability, Amazon Fresh is making strides with their Compact by Design certification, which reduces the carbon footprint of shipping and packaging. So, it's a win for both you and the environment. In conclusion, Amazon Fresh Mediterranean Blend Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Its versatility, quality, and value make it stand out as one of the best olive oil brands for cooking in the market today. If you're looking to enhance your culinary creations, this olive oil should be on your shopping list. That's it for today's product critique. If you've tried this olive oil or have any thoughts to share, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations.
Until next time, happy cooking!